I just spilled all of these keychains all on the desk. Why do they make these plastic things so hard to open? Oh. I'm getting distracted right now. Okay, today is Sunday, February 9th, and it's Super Bowl Sunday. We don't watch football in this house, so I am just sitting down and making some earrings and also some star keychains. Maybe some star earrings too. Usually what I'll use is the little jewelry tools. They're pretty inexpensive, like $10 for like a pack of like 3. This is my favorite one, with like the little hook situation. Kind of disorganized right now because in my brain I want to do like a bunch of things all at once, but I just need to sit down. I try to tell myself I need to do something for at least 5 minutes. Okay, so starting off, I do have my little organizer with all of my little charms for making my earrings and keychains. I have a few of them laid out right now, and here are the little earring hooks with the clasps. Usually when I'm making earrings, I like to visualize how they're going to lay out. But this one has like 3 little circle hoops with the charm and then the earring hook. I like to attach the earrings with the little plastic clasp so it doesn't fall off, and then I just lay them in this like little box so they're easy to display. They're just like little fun little trinkets that I like to create. How often do you see someone wearing duck earrings? Okay, so with all that, out of my system, I think I'm ready to just dive in and just start making things. Let's do this. Okay, so now I have everything laid out. I have my tools, my chains, the charms, and then something else that I like to work on are phone charms, and this is like the little lanyard with a little hook on it. I usually like to keep my tools somewhat in view just in case I have to switch something out. Here is the little sword earring setup I wanted to do. Alright, so going in, I take my little pliers and I'll kind of start grabbing first the one that I'm going to work on. If I can't open it with my fingers, I'll use the other clasp, open it a little bit bigger. And this would be the first chain. So I'm using 3 chains. Oftentimes the chains are not like completely smooth circle, so I'll have to kind of go in to straighten them. So this one I'm not going to straighten, I'm going to open it up just a little bit so I can add a 3rd one. Alright, I'm putting the little earring hook right on top of that last chain, and then I just close it, making sure it's nice and secure. So just like that, there is the little sword. Alright, so for the second one, I did this exact same thing, leave out the first earring or chain out so I can remember how many I used. And I try to get a good grip because these little suckers will just start flying all over the place. I'm taking that and closing. So I could just place them just as is in the box. This fits perfectly, but the only thing is whenever it moves around, shuffles and flipped over, so I like to make sure they're secure. Here is a little paper cutout piece that I will just hook my little earrings on, and that makes it a little more presentable whenever it's in its box. And then I just go right in and grab those little plastics attachments, and I just put that right on the back, just like that. And there you go. I'm just going to place that over there, and the next thing I'm going to work on is keychains. So this would be a single star. I might actually throw in a single little mushroom. Put those 2 together. Okay, so here's the little star and mushroom keychain. It's giving Mario. Find this to be really, really cute. Alright, and then for the next one, I'm thinking I'm going to just do the stars, and then we'll also do little star earrings. For these earrings, they're stuck. Oh wow, they're kind of like the monkey out of the can situation. Let me know if you know where that reference is from. And then here are the little charm earrings. They don't want to be facing you. They're kind of shy. That's so cute and funny. I mean, like, how cute are these little earrings? Okay, and the next one I'm going to work on are the little mushrooms. It's like creative chaos. Oh, I do want to make a little phone charm, so I'll actually have that on. Alrighty, so there is all of the little creations for today. We have the star earrings, star and mushroom keychain. Whenever I'm creating these like earrings, it's kind of like pulling from inspiration of what would I find to be fun when I was a little girl. Another homage is my sister loved to collect a bunch of fun, funky earrings and just wear them throughout. Here are some little vampire earrings that I often wear. Trying to open these little boxes with one hand is interesting. One of my best sellers are actually these little spike earrings. They're really popular with the guys. The idea is to have them available for anyone to purchase, regardless of age, range, or interest. It kind of fits with anyone's like cup of tea, and they're really great conversation starters. I mean, how often do you see someone wearing duck earrings? Like, they're fun. So besides these little earrings and keychain charms that I make, I also have been designing like stickers and acrylic keychains over the past couple years. And recently I've been wanting to see if I can like dabble in making acrylic earrings. I don't know if like miniature versions of these would, I don't know, make sense on earrings. So a lot of the digital artwork pieces I've been visualizing as possibly making them into like little statement pieces, such as earrings or like necklace pieces. But currently right now it's kind of just like a tunnel dream, and so I kind of work with the little charms for now, but possibly in the future it could be a project that I'm able to invest in and work on. Okay, I'm going to just kind of do like a little prop photo for the thumbnail. Just lay everything out. It's funny how these little stars don't want to be like facing up. It is like the cutest little thing ever. Okay, you already know I want to try these on. That is fun and hilarious. Okay, so that wraps up my little tutorial on how I make little charm earrings. These are the final little products. Here's the little keychain, star and mushroom. Here is the little star phone charm. Of course, here's the star and the mushroom earring. Thanks so much for watching. Of course, comment down below what you enjoyed watching or what you want to see me make next. And of course, subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.